What's up, you guys? And as you guys can see here in this box, it's brought to you by Nike. TV. Let's get into this video, and you already know what's in the box. So I will be dropping another video just to let you guys know what happened with me and Nike. Long story short, a lot of things happened. I'll order multiple items, and why I only get one box, who knows? But issue is I just think somebody stole my stuff. But anyway, let's get into what's in this box, because this is what we got here, and it's live. So let's roll with it. Let's open this box. And as you guys see, Triple OG Jordan, you already know the vibes. They supposed to be the new drop. So let's open this box. I did catch the shock drop right over here. As you guys see, this was currently in this box, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you. As I do this unboxing for you guys, they did say that it's supposed to be mimicking the Playoff 98's version of the shoe. I've been wanting this shoe for so freaking long. I've been wanting this shoe since I was in the like 6th grade, 8th grade, when I couldn't even afford this shoe. But guess what? Get into the silhouette. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this shoe up like this, and then I'm also going to put what they say all the versions look like over here. And I think on this one they forgot the version of the 2007s. So yeah, I could have bought the 2007s at the sneaker shop. This how the back look or whatever, but we definitely going to get into this detail of how I actually caught this. So yeah, caught this shoe was, I was like seeing that people I follow. If you don't know, I could leave some in the description box below, but they have a lot of like sneaker discords, a lot of sneakers releases pages on Twitter. If you don't follow them, definitely and best assured, they got all the knowledge. They have all knowledge. They have everything that you need. How to cop, when it's dropping, when it's not dropping, when it's speculated to drop, all the details. So yeah, so I was following them, and they kept on saying it's a shock drop going to happen on this day, be on the lookout. I was like, okay, I'm not really feeling the shoe, whoop the whoop. But I was like, okay, well, I want like the shoe, but I kind of want like to see, even without even get the shock drop. So I end up getting the shock drop, and then I entered into it. So once I entered to the shock drop, I was like, okay, awesome, let's do it. So I'm like, okay, I entered in. I'm like, yeah, these people not gonna pick me for this shoe. Like, they ain't gonna pick me. So I was like, let me just start back doing my work or whatever. Start doing my work. Next thing I know, it was like, got them. I got them, and I was like, okay, they really messing with me on the shock drop. So I end up catching a shock drop, and then they're going to re-release these on the end of the month of September. So be sure to be on the lookout for that if you do want to cop the Playoff 8's. They are suede. They have the suede all over. They have like Air Jordan here and this on both sides. So if you want it to like just hang and be free, that's really dope. They have the emblem of 23 right here. Then they have like the Chanel patch Jordan symbol at the top on the tongue. In the inside they do have the type of things like this, really dope. And this is like the back foot part of it. What would have been really dope with dropping a retro like this is what they should have done was brought like the Jordan socks back, and they would have dropped this with some Jordan socks, like the $15 we used to wear all the time. You pay $15 for one pair, or they had like the KD socks, the LeBron socks, the Nike Elite socks, them type of socks with this type of pattern right here, bro, sick. This would have been so sick and have been so dope, but hopefully I can find some socks like that, just because I know it's like a little quirky, a little something, a little lame, but I like it. I used to always want those socks in like middle school, and a lot of people started wearing them when I went to like 9th grade. Everybody had like the Nike Elite socks or whatever. Like that's like some really like triple OG type of like wave, because everybody had it, and that's when everybody was putting their boxes hanging up in their rooms, which was really dope. But yeah, I think Nike really did a great one with this one. And hey, this is the unboxing of this one, and I'll show you an on-feet of this one. So I'm only gonna say one out the box. I'm not gonna say both of them out the box because I don't feel like it. And then so I'll just show you an on-feet on this one. Don't get me wrong, did I like this shoe? 50% yes. Do I like it on my feet? No. Do I like it off my feet better than on my feet? 100% yes. But what I would have to say is that this shoe, you can definitely tell that it's made for basketball, and these are all basketball shoes, obviously, because they were created by Michael Jordan himself, and he did wear all these shoes on the court. That's why they got their name from, like the flu games, the playoff, the shadow backboards, all that. That's where they kind of got their name from. That's where it originated from, because he wore it on the court. But I'm gonna be very truthful to you. Basketball shoes are pretty cool, but these shoes definitely look like I play basketball or I hoop or something like that. But for all my hoopers out there, if you definitely like a MJ fan, a 23 Jordan fan, yeah, go cop. I could definitely leave the description in where to cop them in the description box below. And if you do not cop on any other platform like the sneakers app, or hit at any retail shop like Hibby Sports, JD, Champs, Foot Locker, Finish Line, definitely don't be afraid to go to eBay, because they do have their authentication there, just like Gold, and also StockX. But I mean, hey, you can hit up Flight Club, Stadium Goods, and any other third-party brand to cop the playoff 8's. So good luck on trying to cop these, and thanks for staying plugged in with Plug In TV. And yeah, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we out.